stillness of the night stands a man wrapped in his might, every breath a steady flame, holding true to his own name. Then a quiet force draws near, filling him with something clear, not of ego, not of pride, but a strength that moves inside. This is where his purpose grows, where a deeper current flows, guided by a higher call, lifting him beyond the small. Power given from above, shaped by wisdom, shaped by love. What he carries in this hour is a sacred form of power. Will alone once shaped his path, forged through fire, fear, and wrath. But this gift that settles now softens him and shows him how true authority is born in the quiet of